Hey Jess, this is before the actual moment. So I know that you are in Stellenbosch right now at your place, and apparently you're putting on your coat and you went to the bathroom also. So ek weet nie wat jy dink dat jy into ry nie. I know hopefully you are not suspecting anything, but I hope this experience will be a great blessing to you today, and may this be the best day until we get married, and may it be the perfect day that you imagined leading up to marriage. So I love you. Sure, my maagie, I'm starting to feel it. I think it's past. So I was quite chilled when I woke up this morning, went to the shop. But now it's like a half an hour before, and I start to feel it. I'm glad I didn't eat anything. So I'm quite nervous. Not that she will say no or anything, but I think it's just such a special moment in our lifetime on earth that like you want to make it special and perfect. So hopefully Jess will be gracious, or you will be gracious. Maybe stutter or beaver or but luckily there's also people to support here. So Joy is here, Jordan is here. Jordan left, I think he's on a date or something. No, I'm kidding. He's also here, but he left quickly. Steph and Chris is here, Leanne and Eduardo is here, and Judy is also here. So amazing people, love them. They are sacrificing their time for you, Jess, for you, not for me, for you. So
I didn't expect that. No. I didn't know. Was that M?
maybe.
Please?
So firstly, I guess I'm so grateful for us and when we started this. But the thing is, like, all my mistakes and my shortcomings, like I can truly see the grace of the Lord through you. You kept up with me until this point, and through that I know that you are the perfect helper for me, and the perfect woman life in my life, and I know that you'll be the most amazing mommy to our kids one day, and die Here het 'n werk gedoen that I was able to pay them off quite quickly, not till January. So not till January. So I got the ring, and I would love to ask you a very amazing question.
I'm so. Yes, I will.
Sure.
you so much. The crocodile tears! Yes. Oh man. Thank you! I can't believe this. I must say thank you.
Gracias.
Thank you
Gracias.
so
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah. The Lord even took his peacock. Wow, thank you so much. Sure, I didn't expect this at all. Wow. Oh, that was so hard to act. I could see something was up. I was like, what? No, the peacock was expected. The next thing I was like,
Can we,
not only have I lived there.
can we,
I'm so happy. Oh, guys. Are you relaxed now?
My ding is seer.
Oh,
Seer.
Shem, you were so cute. And you look so handsome.
But you didn't even look at the photo.
What? Oh! Wow, who came up with this idea? Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. Fiance came up with the photos. Even Johan and Haya's in here.
But this is the same as the other side. Nice.
I think on my face.
Looks very beautiful.
And now all I know I know. Thank you.
finally met.
Hello. You're finally. Hello. Thank you. Thank you so much. You're too sweet. I feel fabulous.
Jesse!
That's beautiful, Jesse. Wow.
Flex. Yes. Very much not.
Were you surprised?
Yes, I was. I'm very happy with Joy and Jordan.
Why?
Because I saw them last night and none of you guys said anything.
No, we couldn't. We didn't say anything. Jeez.
Shoot, beautiful, eh? Now I'm a young woman.
Oh,
I'm not a girl. I have a man by my side. Did you see the way he proposed?
no.
That's so beautiful.
No?
Do you want to maybe re-propose just to show them? I know. Oh my word, hello. Thank you.
More than perfect. Genade.
so happy.
Jesse, your nails?
Oh, Squincy too. Hello.
Ja, dat is ook toch net zo gekomen.
En ik zie het. Jullie wat te zeggen was. Let me see. Congratulations. Thank you, girl. I'm so engaged woman. Wow, het is maar heel cute. So you knew about this? Yes. So why do you think I'm like, wear that green dress, oh, wear that ring? Well, I'm proud of you. I know, you guys know how many times I almost let it slip. Oh my word. And there was a time when they sent a message in the group and you just looked at my phone and then I took it away. And I was like, oh, was there a group as well? Yes, it was a group.
I'm engaged. Okay, let's hope it's not all the way.
Happy for you.
What do you say? Very nice, hè? Als je gereed.
Firstly, just it's an honor to be engaged to you. But also, secondly or thirdly, I don't know where I'm at on the list. Just thank you so much to Stephanie and their partners and Joy for the help and the organizing and everything. So yeah, this is really awesome. And yeah, having you guys here is really special. So hope you guys are enjoying this time with us. Seen the artwork of myself and the girls.
Ja, maar say.
So you can have a look in the maze. The maze is beautiful.
Ik wil voor Jacques en zijn ouders en zijn zusters welkom in de Adams family. The best thing that you could have done is the biggest and the best investment that you can do. Ik praat dan precies iemand wat klaar getrouwd is. Hij zei normally you can cancel a lay-by. It's not too late. But
Nina Tyrone.
so I want to best wel weer eens welkom in die Adams family. Ik zie jou als mijn zeer, groot zeer. Je moet maar zacht praten, is bij zaak staan en praten hoor. Ik wil maar alleen maar niet. But thanks for being part of our family, also your mom and your two sisters and your dad and the other two split sons. The Adams family is a phenomenale family. We enter into a phenomenal family. Die van zelfs voor jullie doorgaan. Maar ik heb mijn dochter gevraagd, maar van de blij houdt Jesse Adams van Zeil. What in the million years daddy is Jesse van Zeil. So I need to respect that. So thanks for coming. Geluk met hen en mag de Heer, die zin van de Heer op jullie leven rust. Ons verlang het goed en het guns. Bijbel zei wat de vrouw gevonden heeft, iets goed gevonden. So you have found something good, my brother.
Goed diep zoek.
Ja, so. Alle beste voor jou, Jesse, voor je pad vorentoe en je geloof met de Heer op je zij kan. Het zal niet goed gaan, because sometimes you will find yourself in the valley. But there's also time in your marriage life you will be on top of the mountain. So it comes, kom met haar werk, met 28 jaar, met zelf vrouw, over doen is. It's not that easy.
7 zakken zouten.
Ja, maar mag die Heer veel zeer. And different family and friends, enjoy it. May God bless you.
It's on my dad's budget.
Hierdie hele week het ek nou al geweet, of ons nou al geweet dat dit nou 'n big moment is en by die skool vertel ek net vir almal my baba boetie word verloof en hulle sê, "Hoe oud is hy?" Dis nee, maar die worry nie, hy is oud genoeg. Ek kan nie glo ons staan hier met dalk julle verloving nie. Jess, ek moet vir jou sê, daar het al baie visies en doggies se lewe ingeswem, maar jy's verseker die beste een. En ons, kan jy nie? En Jesus, ons is baie lief vir jou en ons is so ongelooflik bly vir jou in jou lewe, vir jou in sy lewe. En ons verwelkom jou regtig met oop arms. So Joggie, jy het nogals goed gedoen. So
Ja.
baie goed.